Like probably Tesla's in a better position to create a new phone that's not Android or iPhone than maybe any company in the world. I mean, we could do a phone since like we like the operating system in the Tesla. It's Linux based, but we've written a massive amount of software on top of that.
Yo, what's good, fam? Let's talk about Tesla dropping a phone that ain't Android or iPhone. Yeah, you heard that right. Tesla, the king of electric cars, might just flip the smartphone game upside down. For years, it's been a battle between giants. Apple with their iPhone and Samsung always lurking close behind. But what if Tesla steps in with their own device? Meet the Tesla PH, a phone built like a tank, rocking a titanium body lighter than steel but tougher than your ex's attitude. This thing's made to survive drops from 13 feet onto concrete with IP69 water resistance, meaning it can handle way more abuse than your average fragile phone. The screen, massive 6.9 inches, 4K resolution, HDR10+, and bright enough to read in blazing sun. The camera? A beast with a 50 megapixel sensor plus AI that snaps pro-level pics, whether you know what you're doing or not. Battery life? Tesla flexes their EV tech with a cell that lasts 3 per 4 days on one charge, and charges crazy fast, hitting 80% in just 25 minutes. Plus, Tesla's promising the battery won't die down after years of use, unlike most phones that turn into bricks after a year. But here's the kicker. Tesla's cooking up their own OS called XOS, designed to mesh perfectly with the whole Tesla ecosystem. Cars, power walls, even their robots. No Google, no Apple controlling your data. You're in charge. And with Starlink satellite internet baked in, you could be streaming HD anywhere on the planet. No cell towers needed. Tesla's not just making another phone. They're opening the door to a whole new era of tech, connectivity, and independence. Apple and Samsung better watch their backs because Tesla's bringing that futuristic heat. If you're hyped for this phone revolution, hit that subscribe button. We're aiming for 7,000 subs, and your support means everything. Stay tuned, because the future's about to get wild. Peace.